Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a video to give you some knowledge how to make a static root from the VMware workstation. So just stay tuned on this video. Okay, so the first one, you just need to log in first on your VMware. The login is root and the password is if. So you can see in here there's a use HTTP and then the IP to give you to log in the if. So you just browse it on the Google Chrome like this 100. So in here make to sure it's the same or not. 202, 168, 169 and 128. So you just click it, enter. Hey, wait first, I need to give you some sing out first. Okay, so the display after you click your IP like this, and then you just click admin, and then you just fill the password is eve, yeah, eve ive eve, yeah, eve, and then you can choose in here is html5 console and just C9. Okay, so the first one you just see in here, and then you click at new lab, and then you just up to you what do you want to fill the name. So in here I'm gonna make it static root, and then just click save, and then the display gonna like this. And the first one you just need to add an object and then add the node, and then you click the Mikrotik router s, and then you just fill the number of nodes to add is 2, and then in here you can make it blank, or you just click space one time and you click save. So the first one you just connect it the cable. So you can in Mikrotik 1 you can choose the interface ether 1, and the Mikrotik 2 you can choose the, up to you, you want to make it ether 1 or ether 2. But for me, if recommend only make 2 router. For static root you just make it ether 2, so it's way too different. And then you guys just start it, make it start, and then okay, in here the first one we're gonna config the Mikrotik 1 first. Okay, in Mikrotik login on every router, you just fill it admin, and then there's no password, so you just click enter, and then wait a second. In here, you just click the N. Okay, and then if you want to easier, you just click refresh. So you just spam the enter, and then it's like this. Okay, so the first one we're gonna make an IP for the router. So the command is like this: IP at address. Address at address again, and then you just click the, you want to fill IP like anything you want to fill it. You just, if me for the recommend, I think I'm gonna fill like this: 192.168.1/24, and then the interface is the ether 1, so it make it ether 1. And then you must, after you make the IP for the this router, you must make the gateway also. So it's same the command like this: IP address at address. So the gateway, anything you want to fill again, but I recommend you make it easier. For why? Because you can see the difference from an IP and the gateway. So I'm gonna fill it like this: 10.10.1/24, and then the interface is make it that connected to other router. So in this here I'm gonna do. So if you want to see again the IP address that already setting, you just click it, IP address print. Okay, you can see in here that already setting. So what happened? Oh, okay. So the second step, you just uh, go click the Mikrotik 2, and then you just need to login again. The Mikrotik login is admin, and then there's no password, and then you just click the end. and then you can refresh, and then you can just spam the enter. Okay, so the first one is same. You just need it IP address address. If you want to make different, it's okay. So I'm gonna make it like this: 172.168 22.164 interface the ether2 because this is the root IP for this router. And then just click it, and then you also in here you already make the gateway, so in this router you also make the gateway. So but the gateways it is recommend to make the same, yeah, because this is the 10.1, so we make it in here 10.2 address 2/24 interface ether 1. Why ether 1? Because it's connected to the Mikrotik one. You just enter, and then you just see in here the print the detail. So there's already setting. Okay, so the first one, how do we ping or we make route to the router to the other router? So the first step, you just click or type the command like this: IP route at destination address, and then you just uh, fill the IP that on this router. It's 172.178.22. Okay, you just click like this: 22.8.22. Oh, in root, yeah, for the destination address we must type the 0./24. Why? Because this is the router work to ping the destination that we get. And then the gateway, yeah, like I mean, so we're gonna fill the gateway in here 10.2. So 10.2. Okay, if you want to see the setting, you can click the command like this: IP root print. Okay, there's already AS. It's meant already active and static. Okay, so in router 2, we need to connect again to make the static route, I mean. So you just click it there: IP route at destination address, and then you see in here the IP. In here your IP address it's 192.188.88.1. So you fill it like this: 192.188 88.0/24. Like I say, it must be 0/24, and then the gateway you just fill it this 10.1. 10.1. Okay, if you want to see again, you just click it in here, print. So it's gonna S. So to make sure that our job already done or we already in the goals, you must ping it first. So you must ping the IP in here. So you must ping this IP, this IP router. Oh shit. Okay, okay. You just ping first, okay? It's 172.168. I forget what's IP. 22.1. Oh, it's timeout. So there's something mistake. Wait for. Yeah, there's timeout. Okay, so I think I forget to some router. How about this first? Okay, I'm gonna setting the gateway first. So I did one setting 2.074, and then the gateway is 10.10.10.2. So in this also I think destination address 10.10.10.024, gateway 10.10.10.1. So yep, I think that's all. Okay, so how about we ping again? uh Still timeout. I think there's something mistake for this route. So wait first, how do we ping? I think there's something mistake from the interface. So how about we make this uh, we make it Yeah, same for the other one. And then you can start it again. Wait first, wait, this not started. Okay, this start, this just reconnect again. Just wait in here, you just need to log in again, admin, password, and then you just refresh. And then just see first the error print. Okay, there's still, how about you ping again? Nah, I think there's something mistake. Wait for a second. IP, yeah. Oh, I think I need to this again. The address set numbers one interface address set enter one. Okay, how about in here we make it again. The address set interface. Yep. Enter one numbers zero. Okay, how about we ping? What's this? Oh yeah, it worked. Yeah, I think because we can different interface, because I already work from I install the work, I get teach that interface must be same because it's more easily to connect router to router. So but we ping again in here 8.1. Yep, it's success. Nice one. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching again my video. If I have some mistake or miscorrection again on this video, please just correction me on the comment. I hope you guys can understand my explanation. See you on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.